Before going to the next exercise, we will see the concepts. Multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. For example, 3.77 into 2.8. See, here we have two decimal places, that is 7 and 7. Here we have 2.8 means we have one decimal place. So if you can multiply, we got 3016 and 754. Okay. And we have to go for 2 plus 1, that is after 3 numbers we have to put the decimal because it has 2 decimal values as well as this has 1 decimal place. So 10.556, that is 3 decimal places. Next example, 641.85 multiplied with 4. This has how many decimal places? It has 2 decimal places. So if we can multiply with this one, we have 2567.4. Okay, we place the decimal point so that there are 2 decimal places. Okay, actually this 0 we may put it or not, it's not an issue. Okay, multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and thousands. See, 6.7281 into 10. So we will get 67. So after, see, one place 281 and 6.7281 into 100, 672, two places 0.81, 6.7281 into 1000, that means 6728.1, like this. So after 3 places we have to put the decimal. This is how we are going to multiply the numbers, decimal numbers by 10, 100 or 1000. Now we will see exercise 2.6. Question number 1. Find 0.2 into 6. Since 2 into 6 is equals to 12, we know. And we have one digit right to the decimal point in 0.2, right? So what we have to do? 0.2 into 6 is equals to 1.2. Try to understand clearly. Since we have one digit right to the decimal point in 0.2, so here also we have to put one digit right to the decimal point 1.2. Similarly, 8 into 4.6. So 8 into 46 is equals to 368, and there is one digit right here also. So 8 into 4.6 is 36.8. As simple as such. Next, 2.71 into 5. 271 into 5 is equals to 1355, and there are how many digits? 2 digits right to the decimal point in 2.71. So 2.71 into 5 is equals to 2 digits right to the decimal, that is 13.55. Okay. Next problem, 20.1 into 4, but 201 into 4 is equals to 804, and there is one digit right to the decimal point. That means here we have to put 20.1 into 4 is equals to 80.4. Next, 0.05 into 7. We know 7 into 5 or 5 into 7 is equals to 35. And here we have two digits right to the decimal point in 0.05. So 0.05 into 7 is equals to, tell me, 0.35, because there are two digits right to the decimal point. Next one, 211.02 into 4. 21,102 into 4 is equals to 84,408. But there are 2 digits right to the decimal point in 211.02. Therefore, we have to put 211.02 into 4 is equals to 844.08. Okay, 2 digits right to the decimal point. 2 into 0.86. We know the value of 2 into 86 is equals to 172, and there are 2 digits right to the decimal point in 0.86. So 2 into 0.86 is equals to 1.72 because 2 digits right to the decimal point. Question number 2. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeters and breadth is 3 centimeters. Given that the length is equals to 5.7 centimeters and breadth is equals to 3 centimeters, the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, that is 5.7 into 3 centimeters. Okay, that is 17.1. Hence, the required area is 17.1 centimeter square. Question number 3. Find 1.3 into 10. We can write this as 13 by 10 into 10, which is equals to 13. Similarly, 36.8 into 10. We can write this as 368 by 10 into 10, which is equals to 368. We are making simplifying the problem. Here, 153.7 into 10, that is 1537 by 10 into 10, which is equals to 1537. And 168.07 into 10, we can write this as 16,807 by 100 into 10. Okay, 0 and 0 here cancels. So here we have 1680.7. Next, 31.1 into 100. This is equals to 311 by 10 into 100. 10 cancels here 10 times. So 311 into 10 is equals to 3110. Next one, 156.1 into 100. That means 1561 by 10 into 100. So 10 cancels here 10 times. So 1561 into 10, this is equals to 15,610. Question number 7, 3.62 into 100. We can write this as 362 by 100 into 100, which is equals to 362. Next, 43.07 into 100. We can write this as 4307 by 100 into 100, which is equals to 4307. Next problem, 0.5 into 10 is equals to 5 by 10. We can write 0.5 as 5 by 10 into 10. 10 and 10 cancels, so 5 is the result. Next, 0.08 into 10 is equals to 8 by 100 into 10. Okay, this is called as 8 by 10, which is equals to 0.8. Next problem, 0.9 into 100. So 0.9 can be written as 9 by 10 into 100. 10 cancels here 10 times. So 9 into 10 is equals to 90. Next problem, 0.03 into 1000. 3 by 100 into 1000. This is equals to 3 into 10. So it's called as 30. Next problem. Fourth question. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Given that distance covered in 1 liter is equals to 55.3 kilometers and distance covered in 10 liters is 55.3 into 10 kilometers. That means we can write 55.3 as 553 by 10 into 10. This is equals to 553 kilometers. Hence the required distance is 553 kilometers. Next question, question number 5. Find 2.5 into 0.3. We know 25 into 3 is equals to 75 and there are 2 digits, 1 plus 1. Okay, here it is 1 digit, it is 1 digit. right to the decimal points in 2.5 and 0.3. So we can write this as 0.75. Understood clearly? There are two digits after decimal point. Here it is 1, here it is 1. Like that we have to do. Second problem, 0.1 into 51.7. It is 1 into 517, this is equals to 517, 517. And since there are two digits, we can write it as 51.7. Question number 3, 0.2 into 316.8. We can write 2 into 3168 is equals to 6336. And we have two digits right to the decimal point, so we have to write okay, it is 63.36. 63.36. Here it is the answer. Fourth question, 1.3 into 3.1. We know 13 into 31 is equals to 403, and there are two digits right to the decimal points in 1.3 and 3.1. So the answer is 1.3 into 3.1 is equals to 4.03. Okay. Next question, 0.5 into 0.5, 0.05. This is 5 into 5 is equals to 25. Actually, there are three digits. So the answer is 0.025. Okay. Next question, 11.2 into 0.15. Once again, there are three digits. If you observe, one digit and two, three. So we can write 112 into 15 is equals to 1680, and there are three digits, so the answer is 1.680. Next question, 1.07 into 0.02. So 107 into 2 is equals to 214, but there are four digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, right to the decimal place. So the value will become as 0.0214. Okay. Question 8. 10.05 into 1.05. So we can write this as 1005 into 105, which is equals to 1,05,525. And there are four decimal places, four digits right to the decimal places. So we have to write this as 10.5525. Okay. Question number 9. 101.01 into 0.01. We know the value of 10,101 into 1 is equals to 10,101. Okay, but there are how many digits? Four digits. So four digits right to decimal places in 101.01 and 0.01. So the value can be written as 1 point. After decimal, we have to have four places, 0101. Question number 10, 100.01 into 1.1. We know 1001 into 11 is equals to 11,011. Okay, here there are three digits right to the decimal places. So we can write it as 100.01 because there are three digits right to the decimal points. For 100.01 and 1.1. So since we have three digits right to the decimal place, it is 110.011. With this, we have completed this exercise. Thank you.